Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today's the day we knock through from the new extension into the living room. Now there's this big pane of glass in the way. That's the biggest pane of glass I've ever seen in a domestic house. It's 3 meters long by 2 meters high, so it's a big one, but it's one pane of toughened glass and it's always been freezing before we had the extension. So admittedly, I've never smashed toughened glass before, but I've been told it's quite easy. I've been told you can hit it in the middle with a hammer and it won't smash. But if you get something with a sharp metal point and hit it in the corner, then it will smash. So let's see what happens. I'll try both. So safety first. I know they don't look very glamorous, but hammer, middle, wish me luck. Okay, so it broke. Let's try it in the corner. Okay, so my mistake, I don't think it's toughened glass, I think it's normal glass. So I'm going to go round the other side and smash it from that side to this side. Right, so I think this is laminated glass now. I don't really know, I don't know a lot about glass, but I think it's laminated since it's smashing in pieces and staying together. There must be two panes sort of sandwiched together with a film in between. So my idea now is I've took the beads out and I'm just gonna pull it over and let it smash on the floor. Now, it's probably not the safest thing to do, but I need to get rid of it, so let's see what happens. Wish me luck. Boom, it's out, but it's still in bloody one piece. So if you've got any ideas how to do this better, for anyone who's watching the video, leave them in the comments below. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Poor dusty.